If you're like me and you're extremely bullish on MATIC long term, you're basically getting the buying opportunity now as if you bought in the bottom of the bear run or even in 2021 before the impulse move. If you don't know who I am, my name is EQ. Welcome to EQ Trades. And today we're going to be going over one of my favorite projects, which is Polygon MATIC. Now this video is in no way sponsored by the Polygon MATIC team. And nothing in this video is financial advice. This should all be used as entertainment and educational purposes. Now that we got all of that out of the way, we can take a quick little look at the charts. You can see that this little rectangle is one I have marked of when I thought would be an ideal buy zone for Polygon MATIC. And you can see we are testing pretty low. And you can see we're currently testing at about 43 cents. And from current price, we're pretty much about 42% from the range low, or basically the lowest price that price got to in the bear run, which just so happened to be around the same price that we were hitting in April and March of 2021 before the major impulse move up to $2. So if you are someone that has long-term conviction on Polygon, this is one of those amazing opportunities where a lot of people look back and say, damn, I wish I bought in the bear run. Well, this is your opportunity to basically be buying in the bear run. And that doesn't mean that price can't go lower. We absolutely can continue to trend down and let's say get into the 30s and maybe even 20-cent range. That's definitely possible. But as a long-term DCA going into the super cycle of 2025, you could get a really good play on Polygon MATIC. And from current price, if we were to hit those all-time highs of 2021, we'd be looking at about a 600% move from current price. And I think that's absolutely doable. And I think that Polygon is going to absolutely crush during the bull cycle. Now, if you don't know much about Polygon, they are a layer 2 solution that's built on the Ethereum network, and its original purpose was to help Ethereum with scaling solutions. Polygon was infamously known for POS, which is going to be the first version of their ZK rollup, which then evolved into Polygon ZK EVM, which allowed them to process Ethereum transactions without even moving the transactions from Ethereum. Now you have MATIC, which is coming out soon, which is the decentralized rollup that pretty much protects private data and storage within smart contracts, for example. And for people that like the ID lockers or the identity technology, Polygon does have Polygon ID, which one of their first moves was bringing India onto the blockchain fully. And Polygon is also carbon neutral at the moment, and I know in the next 10 years they're looking to become carbon negative. So in terms of overall solutions and utility, Polygon is one of my favorite projects. It's complementary to Ethereum, so as Ethereum grows, Polygon will grow with it. And Polygon also has absurd partnerships. So this is going to be the Blockchain Council website. This article was released in June of 2024. Here's some of the people on the list, just to name a few: Nike, Starbucks, MasterCard, Adobe, Disney, Meta, Adidas, Mercedes, Reddit, and Google Cloud. They're all partnering and working with Polygon in different ways. So there's a lot of institutional money and there's a lot of big money that's in play with the Polygon network. So I don't see why this project would not do well into the 2024 and 2025 super cycle. Now, it is important to know with Polygon that on September 4th, it's going to transition to POL, which is Polygon. Now, for those of you who don't know, back in 2020, Polygon and MATIC merged. That's why the name is Polygon and the ticker is MATIC. But they will be going under POL, so depending on where you own your Polygon, depends on what you're going to need to do in order to transition to POL. Now, if you do have it on a centralized exchange, like for Coinbase, Binance, Blowfin, anything like that, the transition should be automatic. You can always check back with the exchange itself and they'll give you more information, but most of the centralized exchanges will handle all of that instantaneously and automatic from the backend, so you don't have to worry. And you're talking about a project that's sitting at a $4 billion market cap, which is pretty low considering what Polygon offers to not just crypto, but Ethereum in general. And it's currently sitting at 26. I do believe that Polygon could be a top 15, if not a top 10 crypto project moving through the next bull run. I think when people see the usability of the technology and we finally see the use case for all of their major partnerships, I could see this taking off. But like I was saying, for those people that are bullish in Polygon long term, you're basically getting the opportunity of buying it as if you're shopping in the bear run. And that's pretty much how I'm looking at the majority of my altcoins when I'm going to be adding them into the next super cycle. Now, if you found anything in this video useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video as well. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments section. I'll make sure to get to them as soon as possible. I hope you have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you tune in the world. And I'll see you on the next one.